Welcome to Moving to Portugal Daily, episode 57. I'm Mateos Costa. Today we dive into turning platform income, Upwork, Stripe, PayPal, Airbnb, and similar marketplaces into SEF-ready income evidence, with practical steps you can implement in 48 hours to pass visa checks and landlord screenings.
Hook. Imagine this. You arrive with a tidy bank balance, you show SEF a handful of platform screenshots, and they say it isn't stable enough. I had a listener a few months back who was denied a D7 appointment because their income packet was a patchwork, screenshots, mismatched dates, and no reconciliation to bank entries. They left frustrated, spent weeks reassembling documents, and delayed moving. That trap is avoidable, and today I'll give you the exact packet that convinces officers and landlords, not just for appearances, but because it creates a verifiable, legal trail. Promise and roadmap. In the next 9 minutes, I'll teach a compact 3-step platform income packet. Collect. What exact exports and bank rails to pull. Structure. How to reconcile and present a 1-page income summary and simple contracts. Present. How to package files, what to say in interviews, and quick grooming and communication habits that increase credibility. You'll get a 48-hour checklist and a habit micro-routine to keep your income story consistent. Quick primer. What SEF actually accepts and what they commonly reject. Acceptable evidence includes official platform reports or payout histories exported as PDFs or CSVs, paid invoices tied to client names, clear bank statements showing incoming rails with matching amounts and dates, signed contracts or retainer letters, and tax filings or receipts where applicable. SEF often rejects blurry screenshots, piecemeal chat screenshots without contract context, or platform balances that aren't tied to bank transfers. The rule of thumb? Show the money flow from client to platform to your bank account, and ideally to tax records. Step 1. Collect. Start by exporting official reports from each platform. For Upwork and Fiverr, export the yearly earnings report and individual contract invoices. For Stripe or PayPal, export payout histories and balance change CSVs. For Airbnb, export host transaction histories and resolution documents. Also pull bank statements for the same periods and label them clearly. File naming convention I recommend YYYY-MM-platform-type. For example, 2025-06-Upwork-payouts.csv, 2025-06-Stripe-payouts.pdf, 2025-06-Bank-Rifeson.pdf. Include timestamps and download metadata when available. If a platform offers API exports or CSVs, prefer that over screenshots. These are more authoritative. More on validation. For each payout line, save a copy of the client invoice or contract that matches the amount or project. If payment flowed from Stripe to your IBAN, screenshot the bank posting showing the reference code and date. But don't rely on screenshots alone. Reconcile the CSV line to the bank posting with a simple spreadsheet. Keep client messages that confirm scope and payment terms. A short export of the relevant chat or email chain is often sufficient. Remember, reconcile, reconcile, reconcile. Platforms alone matter less than the rail to your account. Step 2. Structure. Build a 1-page income summary that becomes the front page of your packet. Layout. Top header with your name and contact. Period covered. Total gross income for the period. A brief sentence on income sources. For example, June 2024, freelance web development. Upwork, 2,500 euros. Stripe product sales, 800 euros. Airbnb hosting, 600 euros. Below that, include a table with 3 columns: date, platform/client, amount, and a reference to the file name where the line item evidence lives. Attach a reconciliation sheet, a simple spreadsheet that links platform line IDs to bank transaction IDs. Create simple contracts or retainers for recurring clients, a 1-page statement of work, fee, payment timeline, and signature line. Sample invoice wording. Invoice number 2025-06-01. Description, UX design services for client X. Amount, 1,200 euros. Payment due, 30 days. Bank details, IBAN XX. Issued, 2025-06-01. Use consistent numbering and dates.
Also, keep tax consistency in mind. Declare these earnings as required by your tax residence. Even if you're in the early planning phase for a D7 or D8, having a statement from your accountant or an emailed appointment confirmation that shows you're preparing filings helps. Don't invent declarations. Instead, show that you follow tax steps. If you need a temporary declaration of work, use a simple freelance contract template. Scope, monthly retainer if any, invoice and cadence, and payment rail. Save the signed PDF and the outgoing invoice with matching numbers. Step 3. Present. Packaging matters. Create a single zip or PDF binder with a cover sheet, your one-page income summary, followed by a folder per platform with the CSV or PDF payout report, the matching invoices, bank statements showing the deposits, and any contracts or client confirmations. Label everything clearly and add a short index page that tells the reviewer where to find each line item. For SEF appointments or landlord checks, bring printed copies in a neat folder and a USB with the same structure. Keep digital file names identical to printed labels to avoid confusion. Grooming and communication habits that boost credibility. Show up on time, dress tidy and neutral, business casual is perfect, and speak concisely about your income. Practice a 2-sentence income pitch. I work as a freelance designer. Last 12 months gross, average X euros per month, paid via Upwork and Stripe into my Portuguese bank account. I declare taxes in jurisdiction and have reconciled statements here. Keep eye contact. Hand over the one-page summary first, then the binder. Small habits build trust. Remember my line, Portugal rewards preparation.
Real nomad case and common mistake. A client I coached sent SEF dozens of screenshots with no reconciliation. Their platform showed high earnings, but their bank showed infrequent transfers and large transfers labeled unclearly. SEF doubted stability and asked for more evidence. We rebuilt their packet in 3 days, exported CSVs, matched each payout to bank entries, created a one-page summary, and added a short contract for a recurring client. At the interview, they removed the printed binder, walked the officer through the one-page summary, and that clarity changed the outcome, approved within 2 weeks. The mistake to avoid, assuming a platform balance equals bank income.
Immediate 48-hour action checklist. 1. Export payout reports and invoices from each platform for the last 6 to 12 months. 2. Download matching bank statements covering the same periods. 3. Create the one-page income summary with totals and file references. 4. Build a simple reconciliation spreadsheet linking platform line IDs to bank transactions. 5. Draft one-page contracts or retainers for recurring clients and request signatures where possible. 6. Save everything with consistent file names and create a PDF binder. 7. Practice a 20-second income pitch and choose a tidy outfit for interviews. These steps get you from messy receipts to SEF-ready evidence fast.
Risks and safeguards. Never misrepresent income or omit taxable earnings. Mirror platform payouts to bank entries and declare income appropriately. If unsure, consult a tax advisor. Use presentation to reduce friction, not to disguise missing documentation. If you want step-by-step templates, file naming lists, a reconciliation spreadsheet, sample invoices, and contract text, I've bundled these into the Platform Income Packet in my course. Download the Platform Income Packet templates to build your full SEF binder faster. Inside, you'll find the one-page income summary template, reconciliation spreadsheet, invoice and contract examples, and a suggested file naming system, plus a short checklist for interview grooming, and the exact sample phrasing to use with officers and landlords. Visit the course landing page and enroll to get instant access. Portugal isn't just a destination. It's your optimized new beginning. That's your daily Portugal blueprint. Start applying one thing this week